A very good morning to the Excellencies. Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear colleagues. As we all know that we are gathered here to celebrate a nice occasion called Gandhi Jayanti. I would like to recite a speech in front of you all. My dear friends, today is the 2nd of October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay tribute to the father of the nation as well as remember his courageous deeds on the way of independence struggle for the country from British rule. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti as one of the great national holidays all over the India. The full name of the Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu or Father of the Nation. 2nd of October is also celebrated internationally as the International Day of Non-Violence. Because of being a preacher of non-violence throughout his life, 2nd of October was declared as International Day of Non-Violence by the United Nations General Assembly on 15th of June in 2007. We will always remember Bapu as a symbol of peace and truth. He was born on 2nd of October in 1869 in a small town, Porbandar, Gujarat, however, performed great deeds all through his life. He was a lawyer and he took his law degree from UK and practiced in South Africa. He had described his life history full of struggle in his autobiography named My Experiments with Truth. He fought continuously with lots of patience and dare against British rule for the independence of India all through his life until the independence came on the way. Gandhiji was the man of simple living and high thinking which has been set as an example to us. He was very against to the smoking, drinking, untouchability, and non-vegetarianism. At this day the selling of alcohol has been completely banned for whole day by the Government of India. He was the pioneer of truth and non-violence who started the Satyagraha movement for India's freedom. It is celebrated with lots of preparations at the Rajghat, New Delhi, the cremation place of him, such as prayers, offerings of flower, playing his favorite song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, Patit Pavan, Sitaram, in order to pay homage to the Gandhiji. I would like to share one of his great sayings such as, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Jai Hind. Thank you.